What's going on, guys? Will's Bonsai back again, and today I'm gonna just be repotting another Japanese maple. So I got this from Petal Pond as well as the pot. I love this pot right here, and I love this Japanese maple. Fair price and fair size. Go ahead and look at that. Looks amazing. So I may style it and wire it, but I might save that for another video, so make sure to head over to the description if you guys are looking for that. I'm not wasting any time. Let's get straight in the video. Look at that. Wow, that looks great. And it's starting to bloom, so I gotta do this right now. There's no waiting. So I put these rocks on here just so the wind doesn't blow this right off the table. So the way I start this video is I'd like to take about that much off the wiring. Let's go ahead, take that much. Same size one right here. Doesn't have to be super precise, but what you wanna do, you want to make a U shape out of that, and you want to put it through these two mesh pads right here, these two center holes, and so it should look something like that. And now take your pot, put it through there, try to get it like that, and now flip it over. You want to take it, kind of make it look like that. So that is not going nowhere. I do this every single video. So that is a good tutorial, really quick tutorial, honestly. And I don't think I'm gonna try and wire this tree in there. I'm not the biggest fan of wiring my trees in the pot unless I'm concerned they're gonna get knocked out or they're really unstable. Let's do it to the other mesh pad. Look at that. All right, we got our pot set. Let's go ahead and crack open this Japanese maple. All right, so let's go ahead, be really gentle. And I'm gonna try to use this same soil that it came with. I like the soil a lot right here. So let's go ahead and cut off the tag real quick. Don't need that on there anymore. Let's keep that in the pot. And I really like this soil, like I just said. So I'm gonna mix it with maybe a little bit of native soil, but I like this a lot. So let's go ahead and keep this. All right, so very gently take a chopstick or take a little hand rake and go ahead and do something like that. Start at the top, I would say. Don't be shredding it. I say that every single video as well. Just don't shred it. Take it slow. Be super careful. You don't want to be shredding all the roots. And then afterwards, we might take a few roots off. Your goal is to get the root system as dense in here as you can, but just fit. And bonsai is an art. But I like to do things my way and my own style. I'm no professional. I just like to do it my particular way. Let's go ahead and try to contain a lot of this, and this is very well draining. It's almost like a sandy, mulchy, but as well, it's definitely got calcined clay in there as well. So guys, I'm gonna be honest, I might not want to take a ton of roots off here. Let's go ahead and take that. Not a giant fan of taking a lot of roots off at first until it gets too dense. Let's go ahead, chop those off. Like I said, I don't really want to wire this in. So let's go ahead, start a little. What I like to do is I like to take that, build a little base layer, just for the drainage. So kind of make it look like that. And since I'm not wiring it in, So let's go ahead slowly add the soil back. I like it like that a lot, so let's go ahead, keep funneling this soil down into there. I like using the same soil. It's gonna be a perfect fit as well. So look at that. Let's go ahead, take this chopstick, and you guys wanna make sure, like I always say, there should be no holes or pockets of air. You guys want the soil, but you don't wanna compress it super hard either. So really it's kind of just under the center part of the tree itself is where the pockets will be. So you guys definitely want to make sure that's filled in. I am so happy with this outcome. It looks perfect for what I wanted to achieve out of this. Look at that. Wow, I can't wait to style this too, but that looks incredible. Let's go ahead and get this watered. I'm very happy on the outcome of this. I think it is looking great. And the way you should water these is make sure that underneath the pot, the drainage is just completely flowing out. You guys don't want it to stay stagnant. I think that's good, guys. I think it looks great and is very, very happy with how this turned out. I'm gonna show you guys a close-up. Thank y'all for stopping by. Thank you, Jesus, for a new day. And I love you guys. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace out.